Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T. Today I'll show you quick gameplay from Witcher Monster Slayer. As you can see, this is the main screen of the game. This is our character, and here we've got the map. Let's slay first mob.
Nice work with the ghoul, Witcher. Very clean cut. Looks like you're ready for the final exam. Unless
Yes,
you prefer
we are
to
ready.
practice on dummies first.
But maybe we will practice at the beginning. So now we have to perform fast attacks and perform critical hits. That's the way to perform fast attacks, and now we perform critical hit. Kind of easy. And now strong attacks. So I think we should slide through the screen, but with the bigger gaps between slides. And same thing with critical hits. Kind of easy. Okay, now we have to parry, use signs and bombs. Okay. I've missed it.
Ready for
Simple.
the exam?
Yes, let's start exam.
You must defeat the Devourer as part of the exam. Remember to prepare before the fight.
Okay, so now we got to fight another monster and prepare for fight. So here we've got a sword, potions, bombs and oils. Maybe we will auto-equip. And here are cons of our mob. Strong attack, silver and kinetic damage. Right now we've got only steel sword, but kinetic damage, I think it's gonna be sign or bomb. Of course we've got potions here, thunderbolt, increases melee damage, bomb and oil for our sword. Okay, let's start fighting. Oh, you're ugly.
When the Devourer was struck down with a skillful blow of her sharp blade, the matter was clear. The Witcher had passed the exam. The Master nodded in recognition and handed a wolf school medallion and an inroad bestiary to the young Witcher, wishing that they'd serve him well on the path.
Okay, now we've got character menu. We can choose our avatar. Let's take, I think, this one. It's custom. Now we write our name. And continue. So this is full interface of the game. Right now we've got medallion. You can see whole map with probably location of monsters. We can divide them for common, rare, legendary, all. And that's all. Let's go back. In here we've got our position. And mobs there are in our range. And I think this is quest right here. Let's step.
When the Witcher emerged from the wood, his eyes beheld a most curious sight. A wild assortment of papers,
Let's skip it.
books, asking myself the same. It all went down so quick. There I was. I took a thump to the head. Jurgen threw me off. And when I finally stopped saying, hey, you wouldn't happen to be one of them. Wait, Thorstein, maybe? Could you help? Perhaps. I'll pay you well, you can be sure.
Let's help him. Okay, let's stop here. This is our character menu and friends. We can add friend, manage friends, and have friends request. Here is a shop. And quest menu. I think these are daily quests. And right here we've got character menu, bestiary, inventory, skills, and journal. Let's go to settings and set quality to ultra. And maybe we can slay some more monsters. So I think that's it for Monster Witcher Slayer. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, comment and subscribe.